In this video, I'm going to give you the #1 reason why I invest in the stock market and why it's important that you start investing as well. So, the #1 reason is to make money, obviously, because having no money sucks. But to add to that, by taking the value investing approach inspired by the GOAT of investing, Warren Buffett, I view the investments that I have made as a hedge against inflation. Now, explaining inflation in full is beyond the scope of this video, but basically, the value of cash loses its purchasing power over time, meaning your savings will buy you less stuff in, say, 20 or 30 years from now. For example, 20 years ago when I was a child, I could buy a Big Mac combo from McDonald's for under $5. That same Big Mac combo today costs me $11.10 due to the idiot central bankers and government inflating the currency supply, aka inflation. And the average inflation rate around the world supposedly increases at around 2% each year. Now, although banks do pay you interest for storing your savings in their savings accounts, somewhere around 0.01%, the interest they pay is no match for the compounded interest that you get when you invest into strong, well-established companies and you hold on to those investments for the long term. Investing in the stock market can be risky, but when you buy shares in a publicly traded company, you now own a piece of that company you've invested your money into. Companies like Apple and Microsoft, for example. So let's say I buy shares in Apple. I am now a partial owner. If the share price goes up, I make money, but if the share price goes down, then I lose money. That is what makes investing in the stock market risky. However, the stock market on average returns around 8% each year to investors. So at that rate, you would beat inflation by 6% each year. So let's say you invest $1,000 into the stock market with the average return of 8% annually. Your $1,000 investment would now be worth $1,080. But the next year, you will not only earn 8% interest on the $1,080, known as the principal, but you will also earn 8% on the $80 profit, which compounds year after year, and the results are truly amazing. Now, some people say that investing in stocks is not an inflation hedge, but I obviously disagree with that because well-established companies usually offset inflation by raising their prices. But something that has really annoyed me recently, particularly coming from cryptocurrency gurus, is that they say outrageous things like value investing is dead. So in future videos, I will explain why value investing is not dead, and I will also expose these clowns who think that cryptocurrencies are an equivalent to gold. For more videos on all things investing, subscribe to this channel.